brightness of the celebration. The skirt intricate pattern adorned with creamy floral and shades symbolizing fertility and the earth. The candle represents the illumination aspect of Candelaria. Overall, the costumes are designed to celebrate community, faith, and the joy of the festival. Candidate number 1, cultural heritage, but also promote awareness of community values and developments. Designer, Jazz Chua. A serpentine silhouette adorned with bongo and squash seeds, representing the agricultural richness of the region. Feathers cascade down the skirt, adding a scene of movement and lightness to the breeze in the municipality's fields and hills. This ensemble is a harmonious blend of texture, each material telling a story of land, reflecting the values of Santa Cruz local government and its people. These materials emphasize the Lambda Festival. Designer, Archie Solis. Designer, Nathan Ray Nieves. To the compass of a steel lake and curved falls from the highlands that outfit embodies the essence of water and crystals. Designer, Josh Chua. While maintaining its unique cultural identity. The combination of traditional and modern elements suggests that the costume is a celebration of people in Santa Cruz heritage and a testament of municipality's ability to adapt and evolve while preserving its cultural roots. Designer, Rani Kapoor. Festivity that defines Santa Cruz. This costume also gives a nod to the majestic birds in the sky. The golden wings extended from the outfit is reminiscent of the stunning birds being preserved in the bird sanctuary of Barangay Tagapuli, flying a high level of craftsmanship and creativity. Designer, Gwen Darvin. Designer, Jeff Avenida in collaboration with Dylan Megaflor. With pride of our heritage. Designer, the model herself, Perfecta Udo. Designer, Dindy Barbon. Juan Santa Cruz, celebrating our heritage and paving the way for prosperity. Designer, Jeff Avenido and Jessie's Collection. Of NAC 2024.